If you're looking for convenience, theming, immersion, and a little bit of history, this is the hotel for you. Of the bedroom, we got a king size room, and they have, look at these super cool, this artwork is so awesome, retro 60s inspired travel posters. And then we have some retro lamps, a nice size king size bed. I just love the retro touches. It's very cute. Red chair in the corner, a really large television. We've got TWA pencils and paper and a vintage rotary phone along with a bench and full-length mirror. Okay, let's go check out our view. Okay, so this is the view. I don't know, it's hard to see. I had to turn all the lights off so you could see our view. But we are looking at JetBlue, and the tarmac is literally right there, but it's really hard to see because of the glare. So I'll try to get you a view in the morning. But we are like street level, but there's no way out. So it's very protected, like we're very safe here. And there's floor to ceiling windows, which is cool. Again, you can't see, so let me turn the lights on. Our bathroom, it has one sink and a shower, very nice shower with, they give you shampoo, conditioner, and body cleaner. Very cute. Super retro feeling, but like classic. I really like it. And then you have this like Hollywood mirror, great lighting in here in this bathroom. And then there's like a shelf with extra towels. And then when you turn to your left, we had a little mini bar area with a couple cups, I think for ice, some wine glasses. This is so cool. And then you also have like a little mini fridge. It looks like it used to be a mini bar, but they like turned it off. So there's nothing in there. There's a drawer down below. And then they have a place to hang up things. So it's not a closet, but it's definitely like a little area where you could have some hooks and hangers. So you do have an option to book a room with a view. We did not do that because we're just here for one night, a quick little stopover. And so our point was we didn't want to go out of the airport. We just wanted to stay on property. So that's what we did. We are here in Terminal 5 and we're looking at the airport, but the soundproofing is so good. The tarmac is right there and we don't hear a thing. So if you're worried that this is going to be a really loud hotel, so far it's been very quiet, but we'll let you know how that goes in the morning. We were staying in the Hughes wing. And then this is the sunken lounge, which is super cool. So this is the lobby. And there's a little museum on the second floor there, and we are sitting here at the Paris Cafe by Jean Georges. And here's our menu. I got the brioche French toast, and it came with bacon and some fruit, and we got some syrup. And then we also have an avocado toast. Okay, if I had to give our meal a rating, I would rate my French toast at 3.5 out of 7 scrummies. It was pretty average, but I have to say the ambiance is what you're paying for. So our whole meal was $68 for avocado toast and brioche French toast, and I had a coffee. So that is extremely expensive, but we are here in New York City, well, Queens, at the JFK Airport technically. And so we expect the prices to be higher, obviously, and then you're paying for this super cool experience. So do I think it was worth it for us? Yes. Do I think it's worth it for you? Completely depends on what your budget is, but we definitely enjoyed it. And I'm obsessed with the 1960s. That's my favorite era. Comment down below what's your favorite era. And we really have been enjoying our stay, and we enjoyed our breakfast. Little photo booth area. Gonna get into the photo booth. Okay, ready?
Oh, what was there? Definitely wasn't.
That's not what we were going for. Say TWA.
Is there 3? Now a funny one.
Okay, we're really bad at this.
It takes it before it actually, or it flashes before it actually takes it.
Okay, we need a redo. Okay, so we have this cute little retro hair salon. This is so cute. Model of what the airport used to look like. So you have that main building there in the back was the TWA terminal. And then they have a full-size room of Twister that you can play. This is so cool. So both feet on yellow. Oh boy. Oh my goodness, this thing's rigged. Oh no. We got you. So they have the TWA shop here on our left with all of this super cute cool merch. Some of the merch. So this one is $60. Love this like track jacket. It's $85, but look how cute that is. And I also love this one, the outline of the hotel. This one's $60. I want this one super bad. TWA hat's cute. They even have gift wrap. Travel water. Plana pin is so cute. You can get a mug for $20. Oh, I love these postcards. Oh my goodness. These are $3 a piece. I'm definitely gonna have to get some of those. You can get a towel, $25. Seriously, I didn't know I needed TWA merch, but now that we're here, I actually have a bag like this. I got from Hawaiian Airlines when we were in Hawaii. I got it at an antique store, which was super cool. But that one's bigger. This one here's bigger in red, which is really neat. And then I like these. I think these are stickers. So cool. Okay, this is really awesome. That clock is so cool. So they do have the food hall, and that was open for 24 hours a day. So if you get here late, that is an option for you, and we'll go check that out in a minute. And this is kind of like a small little mini food court. Is just a 10 out of 7. So you're really paying for the experience, and that's something like I really love a hotel that doesn't just do a little bit of a theme. They like went all in here, because this used to be the terminal here at JFK. And so, you know, I'm sure looking through some of this footage, you're gonna recognize it from, it's been in many films. I really think that this was some inspiration for the new Loki, the TVA, because it has that like 1960s vibe here, and I couldn't be happier. I can't wait for us to stay here again. It's that cool. As far as our beds go, the bed was pretty comfortable. It was a little bit more firm than I'm used to, and we did hear some street noise, but that was good because we like to sleep with some noise and a fan. But otherwise, we were right next to the JetBlue terminal, and we didn't hear planes, so that was pretty cool. This will never get old. This is such a cool space. Bye, TWA Hotel. This was so fun. Another like cool feature is they have all of the plans and schematics of these are the original blueprints over here of the and then this is how the terminal was built. So if you're an engineer, architect, or somebody who just is really into like the schematics of things, this is actually really cool. So that concludes our stay here at the TWA Hotel. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so, because that's the biggest compliment you can give us. And we'll see you in our next video. Goodbye!
I'd like to make an appointment.
I'm sorry, I'm busy. Yeah, Oh, Thursday day? Sure, I'll book you right in. I'm sorry, can I help you?
Yeah, I was hoping to get a Brazilian wax.
Oh, I'm sorry, we're all booked up for the end of the year. You're gonna have to try the salon down the